All right, guys, so we're going to go over the text neck real quick. So you should have received this from us, and a text message should have sent this video to you. So going to go through the first one here is the neck retraction. And the reason that we're going over the text neck is because we're spending so much time with technology looking down, and we really want to encourage the body to give it the range of motion and experience of having more posture and a more retracted neck. And so for the first one, it's neck retraction. And so you're going to retract your neck, which is coming back like this, shoulders nice and round, sitting up straight, and then back forward. And then retract, and then back forward. And with all of these that we're going to go through, you don't want to go into pain. It's about healthy ranges of motion. That's what your nervous system needs to go to work with the adjustments that we've been working on and to counterbalance these uncomfortable positions that we find ourselves in with technology these days. The next one is the head drop. So just sitting nice and comfortable, and head drops back as far as you can comfortably without pain. And then back to forward. One more. So you're going to do that one 5 times. So the retractions recommended to do 10 times, and the head drop, 10 times for that as well. Side to side bending, you're going to bend your right ear to your right shoulder as far as you can comfortably go, and then gently, a little bit of pressure for the ear to the shoulder. And you're going to do that on both sides 5 times. Nice, healthy range of motion. The next one is rotation, like you're looking over your shoulder. Again, just go as far as you comfortably can, and you can do that 5 times each side. And the next one is flexion. So you're going to be looking straight down, and a little bit of guidance to get your chin closer and closer to your chest without pain. So pain when you're stretching makes sense because you're stretching muscles and soft tissue, but neurology, you don't want to go into pain or uncomfortable. So with neurology, if you start to feel something, just back off. So healthy range of motion here. Last one is a shoulder blade pull. And so shoulders retracted, sitting up nice and straight, and just pinch your shoulder blades and relax. Pinch your shoulder blades and relax. And you'll do that 5 times. And that's it. Real quick, you can also do something called the wall angels. I don't have a wall here, but you're going to be up against a wall. You can be seated like this up against a wall if you have something like this, or you can stand with a little bit of a bend in your legs, and your arms are going to be up against the wall like this, everything flat up against the wall, and ride up against the wall. I can't do it because of the TV. Ride up against the wall and back down. And you can do that 5 to 10 times. Really good exercise for the muscles in between the shoulder blades, because something that happens with text neck is the shoulders start to curl forward too. So these are just good exercises for you. If you have any questions, just send us a text on Sched or give us a call. There it is.